Hi, I'm Dr. Wee Meng, a dietitian. Introducing solid foods is an exciting journey for both infants and parents, filled with discovery, developmental growth, bonding time, and yes, lots of mess. Let's take a step-by-step journey into the world of infant nutrition together. Let's begin with the question: when should you start introducing solid foods to your baby? This process can begin usually around 4 to 6 months of age. Each baby is different and will progress at their own pace. Here are some signs that you can look out for. Your baby would be able to sit up with support, hold head up steadily, and show an interest in food by watching closely as you eat, reaching out or opening their mouth when food is offered. Transitioning to solid foods is not just about nutrition, it's a big step in your baby's development. Introducing solids at the right time helps meet their changing nutritional needs. At around 6 months, the iron that a baby has in their body starts to be used up, and breast milk alone may not provide enough iron. It also helps develop their oral motor skills like chewing and biting. What do you begin with? Start by introducing simple single-ingredient foods. I have with me some smooth pureed broccoli, which is packed with nutrients. Be sure to introduce only one new food at a time. Wait for 1 to 3 days before adding another new food, as that will help you to identify if your baby is allergic to that particular food. If you observe reactions such as rashes or swelling, take your baby to the pediatrician immediately. If your baby constantly pushes the spoon or the food out with his or her tongue, or appears to have difficulty swallowing the food, it might mean your baby is not quite ready yet. That's okay. Wait a few days before trying it again. Once your baby is able to tolerate the food, you can start to mix and match different food and flavors together to increase their dietary diversity. Now, let me show you how to blend chicken to create a baby-friendly texture. For a smoother blend and additional taste, try including some potatoes and milk in the mix. They'll not only help achieve a creamier texture, but also bring a subtle boost in flavor. From around 7 to 8 months, you can start to gradually add more texture, progressing to mashed. From 9 months onwards, you may also introduce finger foods. Here, we have examples of how you can progress the textures from smooth pureed broccoli to mashed broccoli and broccoli florets as finger food. Similarly, you can do the same for eggs. To add flavors, you can also mix in different vegetables and fruits into ready-made cereals like broccoli or banana. Introduce a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and proteins, one at a time. Do not add salt and sugar into these foods until your child is at least 1 year old. Babies who are exposed to a variety of food early on are more likely to enjoy a wide range of flavors later in life. It's also a great way to prevent picky eating habits from developing. But be cautious. Some foods are not suitable for babies under 12 months. For example, plain full cream milk is low in iron and high in solutes, which can strain a baby's developing kidneys. While it can be added to prepared foods, it should not be offered as a main milk before 12 months of age. Honey is another big no-no due to the risk of infant botulism. Even in tiny amounts, honey can be dangerous for infants under 12 months. Early introduction of eggs and peanuts is associated with a lower risk of allergy, so the recommended practice is to introduce well-cooked eggs around 6 months. It's also crucial to avoid high-sodium food like canned goods, processed foods like sausages, or adding salt, soy sauce, or seasoning powder. Babies' kidneys aren't developed enough to handle too much salt, and getting used to salty foods at an early stage can potentially lead to a preference for salty foods and unhealthy eating habits later in life. The amount of food your baby consumes can be different at each meal and every day. Your baby need not finish everything that is in their bowl. Follow your baby's hunger and fullness cues. Do not force your baby to eat. Instead, allow them to explore food in their own way. Give praises by describing what was done well, as babies need encouragement to recognize the right behavior. This approach encourages a healthy relationship with food from an early age. Next, how do you pace the feeding of solids and milk? Start by feeding your baby pureed foods about 30 to 60 minutes before their usual milk feeding time. Gradually adjust their milk feeding schedule away from main meal times. This ensures their appetite for solids isn't diminished by a full milk feed. Introducing solid foods is an adventure filled with fun, mess, and learning. Be patient, be adventurous, and enjoy these moments of discovery with your baby while shaping their lifelong relationship with food. Family meal times are one of the best opportunities for positive role modeling, as babies learn by observing. You are your child's first influencer. Show them how enjoyable healthy eating can be. Sit together, put away your digital screens, and eat a variety of nutritious foods. And let them see you trying and enjoying these foods too. Every baby is unique, and this journey doesn't have to be rushed. For more tips and detailed guides, visit Parent Hub. You've got this!